AI is changing rapidly, and that change is really important to be adapted. We have the AI browser, which is Perplexity Comet, and this particular browser is really insane. I must say, I tried it out and I just thought to make a video around it. So make sure that you watch the video till the very end. And also, if you want to get the browser, you will get the link in the description. So you can just get it and make sure that you try it out, because the pro plan is also free for a limited time. So just go and use it. Before trying it out, that is the Comet Perplexity browser, we will know how to install it. So let's get into our laptop. Here you just have to type out for Perplexity Comet, and then you will get the option. The very first option is Meet Comet AI browser. You have to just go for it and click here download. You will get a file to get this particular browser. It is similar to Chrome. Okay, just like we installed Chrome, you have to install Comet. That is the only thing. And you will not believe that this is much more better than Chrome. I liked it very much. So let's get inside the Comet. Here we have the Comet interface. We have certain options. I have the Pro plan, just a free one, and then I have the Pro plan, and we have some other options as well, like home. Here are some search results. Then discover is there. Then the spaces, you can create your space, and the finance option as well, where you can study about the current market conditions if you are interested into stock market. We will also see that particular part, but yeah, let's get into Comet and we will try out some things here. Okay. Okay, just we will try it one by one prompts we will try to give and make it do some task for ourselves. The very first task that we can try out is about from Amazon to shop. Okay, so this is a simple one. So it will start making. You can see the assistant has started working on it. So this is nothing but the AI agent that is working for us. So just remember this particular point. You should always stay relevant and up to date of the things which are happening around us. So AI agents are going to change the game completely. So let's get into the other thing, which is about the See, this is the most important feature I liked, that you can delete your emails, the promotions email, social emails, and all those things. You can give a specific prompt as well to delete or else unsubscribe your emails. But likewise, you can make it. I'm just trying to simplify the process as much as possible, and you can run multiple processes at the same time. Just we have made the agent to work on the Amazon. Now we are making it to work on the email part. So if we can just navigate back and see if he was able to work or not. Still some steps are remaining. He's working on it, right? This is the social panel there that we wanted to delete. So if we want to delete it, just you have to type out delete all the emails only from the social panel in my mailbox. Okay, so that is the thing that you have to do, and it will start deleting. Meanwhile it's deleting, we will go for a different process. We can type out the Days of Robotics playlist, hit enter. Okay, so let's see like whether it is able to summarize our playlist or not. It will make it, I know, but yeah, we can also see our previous process, whether it was. I have added the crucial basics RAM to your Amazon.in shopping cart. Okay, the price is 6199 and your cart is now ready for checkout with this item. Okay, we have two items in our cart, and that's the thing. And for the YouTube part, it has started navigating. Okay, that is the most important thing. For the emails, you can see the deleting is completed. okay, the social media panel got deleted. Likewise, you can delete whatever emails that you want to delete, you can make it for yourself. Okay, 50 days of robotics. We have 32 videos, out of which 4787 views, and main theme is included, like from day 0 to 5, what is a day 0, day 1 to 5, and till day 32, like we are still able to cover that particular thing. And this is the summary of 50 days of robotics. I think it's really good if you want to just go through the series, whatever you want, you can just make it accordingly. Give me bus options from Pune to Bangalore on red bus. Departure time is 11 p.m. Okay, we will get the options: VRL travels, SRS travels, Orange tours, getting the range. All those things are good. Okay, I just have shown you one glimpse. If you just sign in and make your tickets accordingly, you will get the booking as well. So that's really good. So this is how you can use the AI browser, that is the Perplexity Comet browser, to simplify your processes and just give your task to the AI browser and make it happen. You don't have to do the repetitive task like deleting the email and all those things, and also preparing a kind of roadmap for you as well. So if you like this particular video, comment below AI, and we will meet in the next one. Till then, grow, learn, and explore together. Bye.